What's up guys, David Sharek here. So what do you do when you can't think of a kendama video to film? That's right, you become completely uncreative and unoriginal and do another try not to laugh challenge. So that's what we're doing today. We have a funny dogs edition this time because last time the videos were not funny at all. So I'm hoping some of these can make me laugh, and dogs are funny. I feel like most people think that dogs can be funny. Let's hope they're not cringy. Let's just hope that we get some funny ones here, but I'm not gonna laugh. That's the main part of this video. I am not gonna laugh at all. I do have water. We could even like do the water challenge. Let's just hop right into it. Why don't we? Funny dogs. I mean, this is already kind of funny already, but no, I'm not gonna laugh. We're not gonna do it.
What a treat.
Not funny. It's not funny. Stop laughing. That's not funny. This one's just cringy, honestly. Unless he like trips or something. Yeah, it's not funny. No,
Oh my god, he's really going to town.
that one was, nope, that was close though.
Be a nice dog, Mom.
That was close.
My dog.
That one almost got me.
A half mile in, she gave up. Now
Bruh.
I'm carrying her home. Look at her smiling. Unreal.
I'm not laughing. Oh, what the frick is going on? It scared me at first. I was like, what the? I mean, he just, you know what I'm saying? He's just like that.
Be vulnerable, Brando.
Why are like bulldogs and like pugs the funniest dogs ever?
So someone
Still no
took the
laughs,
screen
though.
off and knocked it on the roof. And then, oh, who are you? Wow.
Huh? How did, what? Why is she on the roof? She or he, I don't know. That was kind of funny, but we're gonna do the water game. Actually, we're not gonna do the water game because I just realized if I fail and I laugh, it's gonna be all over my laptop, so no, we're not gonna do that. Okay, he's yawning. Yeah, it's cute, but it's not funny. I'm not gonna laugh. You gotta do better than that. Nope, it's not a laugh. It's not a laugh. Nope, that was not a laugh. Oh no, oh no. What was he trying to do? I know what he was trying to do. I can't even hear it. Yeah, it's not that funny. It's just weird. Dogs are just weird sometimes. Freaking weirdos, like what the... Ugh. Look at how happy that one is. Hold up, what? That was the cutest thing I've ever seen, bro. Come on. What? It's so tiny. That's what she hopefully doesn't say. Look at how tiny that is. That was kind of funny. That little hop. Nope. Wasn't a smile. What does it have on its head? What the frick? Idiot. Imagine getting stuck outside. Bruh, you're dumb. Really? We're really gonna be hit with an ad right now? Come on.
The team's coming back.
Yay! Woohoo! Hooray! No, they're not. They're using Monday.com to manage their...
Back to it. That was close. These are almost getting me.
You sitting on the table watching outside. That is hilarious. Oh my
That's kind of funny.
God.
Why? Why are you doing this? No, that's not the one I laugh at. No. It's really just the person's laugh that made me laugh. Also, there's this dog's stupid face, kind of. Okay, that's one laugh. Oh my, why? I mean, yeah, dogs like food. No, that was not a laugh. Stop it.
Yeah, you like it?
Frank.
Oh my gosh, bro, who gave that? That dog just had the best day of its life. I feel like I've seen this exact video before of the hose. So you're not gonna get me. Oh my, what the frick? It is just major chillin'. Look at that face. Okay, that's just weird. That's just white people for you. Ugh.
Charlie, you're adopted. You're adopted.
Bro, I can't understand you. That was me laughing at myself, not the video. Just jump, you can do it. Okay, this would make me laugh, but my dog literally does the exact same thing. If he's wet, if he just had a bath, he literally rubs in the carpet. It's so funny. Every time, the exact same thing. But it's not funny, because I've seen it before. My dog does this. Bro, all dogs are literally the same.
Get her, buddy. Go, go, go.
My dog does that too.
Keep going.
If he's about to sleep somewhere, he makes a little scratches and makes a little nest. This dog's just chilling. They got spooked. Oh no. Don't lay on it. Oh. Yeah, it's cute, but it's not gonna make you laugh. That's the funniest one. These stupid ads, bro. That was the cutest dog I've ever seen. Why did I laugh at both of the dumbest ones? That, I shouldn't have laughed at that one. That was stupid. I can't even hear it, bro. What's this audio? What the frick? Why is it doing that? I'm confused. I'm genuinely confused. Whoa. Hello, sir. What are you doing? Oh, why are you in the frick? I've laughed so much already. I don't... It's these dogs, bro. It's cute. Not funny, though. Didn't smile.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Frankie.
It's not funny at all, bro. Oh. It's kind of sad. Bro, that doesn't even... What dog is that? It looks so weird. Weird looking dog. Oh no. Yeah, not funny. There's only been a couple that have been like actually like legit funny, you know? You know what I'm saying? Social distancing for dogs. Bruh. Bruh, it really do be like that. It really do be 2020. Why did I laugh? That's not funny. I just laughed because it's stupid.
Good girl. Good girl, Holly.
It's kind of funny. Bro, what the frick? Okay, now it's getting funny. Bro, he looks so happy. And this dog is just stupid. Why am I like shrinking? I'm getting smaller in the screen. I don't get how that was funny. That was not funny. Some of these are just duds, bro. Dang, you really...
She's gonna get skin in
What is he eating? Man, sticking his snout in there. Getting all up in there. That's kind of funny. I tell you, it's the pugs, bro. It's the pugs and like the bulldogs that are just freaking funny. Why are they? Their faces are just so weird looking, but so funny at the same time. Oh no. Oh, it's a... That was it? Really? That's gonna be the last clip? That's gonna be the last clip, boys? Alright, that was kind of funny. Maybe like 2 or 3 laughs in there. But you know what? I'm still the GOAT at try not to laugh. Let's be honest here. Some of those I didn't even mean to laugh at. Well, I guess none of them you mean to laugh at, but like, yeah, there's like maybe one or two actually funny clips. Lots of those were just like laughs at how stupid this video is. But if you like how stupid this video is, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to tell me down below if you want to see more videos like this. I was gonna film a Kendama video today, but it's like really windy outside, so that's really not the best for playing Kendama. So we'll see. I'll be probably filming a new 30 minutes to lace or some type of video like that soon. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.